This video will demonstrate how to upgrade the Forcepoint next generation firewall engines remotely using the management client. Before the NGFW engines can be upgraded, you need to make sure the new software version has been downloaded to the SMC. If Automatic Engine Upgrade Download has been enabled, the SMC should have downloaded the upgrade package automatically. To check if this is enabled, log on to the SMC and click Menu, select System Tools and Global System Properties. On the Updates tab in Global Systems Properties, check the Remote Upgrade for Engines selection. If the SMC has been configured to check for engine upgrades, but not to download them automatically, you can download the engine upgrade directly via the management client. To do this, click the Configuration button. In the left panel menu, expand the Administration section and click Engine Upgrades. In the Engine Upgrades list, you will see the NGFW software versions that have been either downloaded to the SMC or are available at Forcepoint servers. The versions that have not been downloaded will have a green circular icon. To download the upgrade zip file to the SMC, right-click the version you need and select Download. The SMC will start downloading the package and you will see the progress on the Download Progress column. If the SMC server doesn't have internet access or is not allowed to open HTTPS connections to Forcepoint servers, you can download the engine upgrade from the Forcepoint support portal. Connect to support.forcepoint.com on your web browser and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, click the Downloads link and browse to Next Generation Firewall under Network Security. Then click the version you need and select the Remote Upgrade Package link. To start the download, click Download at the bottom. When you have downloaded the upgrade package, copy it to a location where you can access the file with the management client. Then in the management client, on the Engine Upgrades page, click the Tools button and select Import Engine Upgrades. In the new window, navigate to the location where you save the file. Then select the file and click the Import button. On the bottom left corner of the management client, you will see progress messages. After the import is done, click the Tools button and select Refresh to update the Engine Upgrades view. Now that the Engine Upgrade package is available in the SMC, you can proceed with the upgrade. First, switch to the Home page, where you can select to upgrade a specific node or all nodes in the cluster. Let's first see upgrading the cluster one node at a time. To see the nodes, click the triangle in front of the cluster to expand it. It is good practice to set the node offline first to make sure all active connections are balanced to the other node that will remain online during the first node upgrade. To set the node offline, right-click the node and select Commands and Go Offline. Note how the node color changes to purple, indicating the node is offline. To start the upgrade, right-click the node again and select Upgrade Software. Leave the operation selection to Remote Upgrade, Transfer plus Activate. This option means the SMC will upload new software to the node and it will be installed to the inactive software partition. This partition will be made active and the node uses it to boot up. Make sure the target field contains the node you want to upgrade. On the engine upgrade, select the version you wish to upgrade to. Once you are ready to proceed, click OK and select Yes when the SMC asks for confirmation that you wish to proceed. In the new window, you will see the upgrade progress. The upgrade usually takes a few minutes depending on the network speed between the SMC and the NGFW engine and the speed of the reboot process. Here we will skip to the end when the upgrade finishes. On the home page, you can verify the new version is shown by clicking the node and checking the info panel. Note that the upgraded node will remain offline for a while but should turn online automatically if boot recovery is enabled on the Cluster Tester configuration page. The delay after boot setting on the same page defines how quickly after reboot the node will turn online automatically. You can, of course, also bring the node online manually by right-clicking the node element and selecting Commands and Go Online. After the upgraded node has come online, verify that traffic is flowing as before. If things look good, proceed with setting the second node offline and upgrading it. You can also upgrade the cluster at once. The upgrade is still done one node at a time, and traffic should flow without interruptions throughout the upgrade. To start the upgrade, right-click the cluster element and select Configuration and Upgrade Software. In the Remote Upgrades task properties, make sure Remote Upgrade Transfer plus Activate is selected, all nodes are included in the target field, and select the engine version you wish to upgrade to with the engine upgrade selection. Once you are ready to start the upgrade, click the OK button. The SMC will ask for confirmation that you wish to proceed. Click Yes. In the new window, the SMC will display the upgrade progress. You will see a separate page for each node. Once the first node upgrade has finished and the node has come online, you will see the other node upgrade process starting. Uploading software to each engine and rebooting will take a moment. Here we skip on to the end when the upgrade of the second node finishes. After all nodes in the cluster have been upgraded, the policy should be installed. When the policy is installed, the SMC generates the configuration based on the lowest engine version in the cluster. Thus, after the upgrades are done, the SMC will generate the configuration based on the new engine version. There are several ways to install the policy, and the easiest option is to right-click the cluster and select Current Policy and refresh. In the Refresh Policy Task Properties window, click OK to start the policy refresh. Finally, in the new window, you will see the policy installation progress, and you can confirm the policy installation works after the upgrades are done.